Welcome back to AVP Auto, your ultimate destination for high-quality automotive content. Today, we're diving into something that stands out in the camper van world, especially for those who crave freedom off the grid, the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 camper van. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning to live life on the road, this vehicle might just be your new favorite companion. Let's kick things off with the first impression. The 2025 Dacia Dokker has undergone a significant transformation for its camper edition. It carries a clean, rugged, and functional design that doesn't scream luxury but quietly commands respect. It's compact yet muscular, and with the 4x4 system, it looks more than ready to take on dirt roads, snowy tracks, and even forest trails with ease. Under the hood, the Dokker 4x4 is powered by a 1.5-liter Blue DCI diesel engine producing around 115 horsepower. Now, it's not built for speed, and it won't win drag races, but it's all about torque and traction. Thanks to the all-wheel drive system sourced from Dacia's proven Duster platform, this van offers impressive grip and control in tough conditions. It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission that gives you a solid, mechanical connection with the road, or the lack of it. The ride height has been raised slightly compared to the standard version, giving better ground clearance, which is crucial when you're off-roading or trying to get that perfect remote camping spot. Skid plates underneath offer additional protection, and the upgraded suspension handles rough terrain surprisingly well for a van of this class. Let's open those rear doors and step into the real highlight of this beast, the camper conversion. This isn't a full-blown luxury motorhome, but it's got everything you need to disappear into nature for days. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with a super practical and efficient layout. On the left, there's a compact but functional kitchenette, complete with a sink, water tank, a single-burner gas stove, and compact storage for utensils and supplies. Everything is designed to be lightweight, modular, and user-friendly. The right side offers a cleverly engineered bench that folds out into a bed, big enough for 2 adults. The cushions are firm yet comfortable, and beneath them, there's a decent amount of storage for your gear, sleeping bags, or even a portable fridge if you want to install one. There's also the option of a pop-up roof, depending on the package you choose, which adds standing room and optional extra sleeping space, ideal if you're traveling with a child or need room to stretch out. Inside the camper, lighting is handled by LED strips powered by an auxiliary battery system, which charges as you drive. There's also an option to add a solar panel on the roof for longer off-grid capabilities. USB outlets and 12V sockets are strategically placed so you can charge your devices, power a small fan, or even run a laptop if you're working remotely. Ventilation is handled through a roof hatch and sliding windows with bug screens, meaning you can enjoy fresh air without inviting insects in. And yes, there's insulation all around. Whether you're camping in the Alps or parked at a windy beach, the Dokker keeps the interior climate relatively stable. The front cabin retains much of the original Dacia Dokker styling, simple, robust, and ergonomic. The dash is basic, but it includes a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a rear-view camera, and basic navigation. The seats are firm and upright, perfect for long journeys, and there's ample visibility from the cockpit. Now, let's talk about driving dynamics. On the highway, the Dokker 4x4 is calm and composed. It won't break any speed records, but it cruises smoothly at around 110 km per hour. Where it really shines is on rough tracks and country roads. The all-wheel drive system works automatically, but you can lock the differential for extreme terrain. Hill descent control is also included, making steep descents safer and easier to manage. Fuel economy is impressive for a 4x4 camper. With a combined average of about 6.5 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers, it's quite economical considering its capabilities and extra weight. That means more time exploring and less time and money spent at the pump. In terms of safety, the Dokker 4x4 camper comes equipped with ABS, traction control, multiple airbags, and stability assist. There's also a lane departure warning and emergency brake assist system included in some packages. One underrated advantage of this camper is its stealthy nature. Unlike massive RVs or flashy camper vans, the Dokker blends in. You can park in regular spots, navigate through tight city streets, and even slip into quiet country lanes without drawing attention. It's ideal for stealth camping or anyone who values a low-profile setup. Price-wise, the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 camper van is one of the most budget-friendly all-terrain campers on the market. Depending on the configuration and conversion company, prices typically start from around €32,000 and go up to €42,000 for fully equipped models. Compared to other 4x4 camper vans, especially from brands like Mercedes or VW, this is a serious bargain. Of course, it's not all perfect. There are a few limitations. Storage space is limited, especially if you're traveling as a couple with gear for a long trip. It also lacks an integrated bathroom or shower setup, although a portable toilet and outdoor shower system can be added aftermarket. And while the diesel engine is reliable, it's not the most powerful option if you're planning to tow something heavy or drive in extreme altitudes. Still, for the price, capability, and compact footprint, the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 camper delivers incredible value. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even digital nomads who want a go-anywhere mobile base without breaking the bank. It's rugged enough to take you to places most camper vans wouldn't dare, and comfortable enough to keep you there for days. If you're someone who values simplicity, functionality, and off-grid adventure, this van deserves a serious look. It's a no-nonsense tool for those who want to explore without limits. Whether you're climbing mountain roads, camping by a lakeside, or just hitting the open road, the Dokker proves that freedom doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. Thanks for watching today's review on AVP Auto. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 camper van, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest and professional reviews, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Dokker out for a cross-country trip? Or do you prefer something with more luxury or space? We're always reading your feedback and suggestions. Until next time, keep exploring, stay adventurous, and drive smart.